Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do factory reset on Vivo phone. So in here, I've already on my Vivo and you can start by going to the settings on your phone. And in here, you can just scroll down until you find this system option. Tap on system and find the reset. So find this tap on this reset options, and if you want to do a factory reset you can just click on this erase all data or factory reset. Okay, so by clicking on this, you will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So you'll be logged out into from these apps. After that, you can just click on erase all data if you are sure. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.